So, you want to make money online in 2025? Let me tell you, dropshipping is still one of the easiest and lowest cost ways to build a profitable business from home. But most people fail because they don't follow the right steps. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step. No fluff, no BS. Just the exact blueprint you need to start and scale a successful dropshipping store this year. And hey, if you're serious about making money online, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the game-changing strategies I drop every week. Alright, first things first. What the heck is dropshipping? It's basically e-commerce without the headache. No inventory, no packing boxes in your garage, no dealing with warehouses. You sell a product, a supplier ships it for you, and you keep the profit. Simple, right? And the best part? You can start with just a few $100. No need to invest thousands in inventory like traditional businesses. We're talking about a business model where you can literally start with as little as $100 to $500. Compare that to the thousands you'd need for a brick-and-mortar store or even a traditional e-commerce setup. It's a game changer, folks. Now, let's be real. Picking the right niche is what separates winners from losers in dropshipping. If you try selling basic phone cases in 2025, you're going to have a bad time. Instead, you need to tap into hot, untapped markets. How do you find those? Easy. Use Google Trends, TikTok's Made Me Buy It trend, and check the Facebook ads library. These tools are like having a crystal ball for e-commerce. They'll show you exactly what people are going crazy for right now. Let me break down some of the hottest niches for 2025. 1. Eco-friendly products. People are more conscious than ever about their environmental impact. 2. Smart home gadgets. The future is here, and it's all about making our homes smarter. 3. AI-powered tools. Anything that uses artificial intelligence is red hot right now. 4. Pet accessories. Because, let's face it, people love spoiling their furry friends. 5. Health and wellness products. The pandemic really kicked this trend into high gear. These niches are blowing up, and they're only going to get bigger in 2025. But remember, the key is to find a specific angle within these broader categories. Don't just sell eco-friendly products, sell biodegradable camping gear for eco-conscious adventures. Get specific, get niche, and you'll crush it. Now that we've got our niche locked down, it's time to find those winning products. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. You want products that are in high demand, have great reviews, and can be shipped quickly. Where do you find these golden geese? Start with platforms like AliExpress, Zendrop, or Spocket. These are treasure troves of potential bestsellers. But don't just pick any old product. Look for items with at least 4.5-star ratings and hundreds of reviews. That's your social proof right there. But here's a pro tip that'll put you miles ahead of the competition. Use the TikTok Made Me Buy It strategy. Seriously, TikTok is a goldmine for finding viral products. Just search for that hashtag and you'll see tons of products that are already proven sellers. It's like having a focus group of millions of people telling you exactly what they want to buy. Alright, so you've got your niche and your products. Now it's time to build your store. And let me tell you, this is where a lot of people mess up. They think they need some fancy complicated website. Wrong. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and most importantly, keep it focused on conversions. Step 1. Choose your platform. For beginners, Shopify is hands down the best option. It's user-friendly, has tons of apps to extend functionality, and it's built for e-commerce from the ground up. Step 2. Pick a theme. Don't go crazy here. A clean, professional theme like Dawn or Debutify will do the trick. Remember, we're not trying to win design awards, we're trying to make sales. Step 3. Add your products. This is crucial. You need high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and trust badges. Don't skimp on this part. Your product pages are your salespeople. They need to be top-notch. Here's what a killer product page looks like. Crystal clear, professional photos, multiple angles, a benefit-driven headline, not just the product name, bullet points highlighting key features and benefits, social proof, reviews, testimonials, trust badges. A clear, compelling call to action. Don't make people guess what to do next. Get these elements right, and you'll see your conversion rates skyrocket. Now, let's talk marketing. Because let's face it, without traffic, your store is just a really well-organized collection of products that nobody will ever see. So, how do we get eyeballs on our offers? I've got 4 killer strategies for you. Strategy number 1: TikTok and Instagram Reels ads. These short-form video platforms are absolute gold for dropshippers. Create quick, engaging videos showcasing your products in action. Don't worry about being perfect. Authenticity sells. Show the problem your product solves, then boom, hit 'em with the solution. These platforms are perfect for impulse purchases, which is exactly what we want. Strategy number 2: Facebook and Google Ads. These are your precision tools. Use them to target specific audiences with laser-focused ads. The key here is to start small, test different ad creatives and audiences, and scale what works. Don't blow your whole budget on day 1. Strategy number 3: Influencer marketing. This is huge, especially for niche products. Find micro-influencers in your niche. We're talking 10K to 100K followers. These folks often have super engaged audiences and charge way less than mega influencers. Send them your product, get them to create some content, and watch the sales roll in. Strategy number 4: SEO and organic traffic. This is the long game, but it's worth it. Optimize your product descriptions and blog posts with relevant keywords. Create valuable content that answers questions in your niche. Over time, you'll build up a steady stream of free traffic. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: mistakes. I've seen so many newbie dropshippers crash and burn because they fall into these common traps. But not you. You're going to be smart and avoid these like the plague. Mistake number 1: picking oversaturated or low-profit niches. Just because fidget spinners were hot in 2017 doesn't mean they're a good bet now. Stay current, stay niche. Mistake number 2: choosing slow shipping suppliers. In the age of Amazon Prime, people expect their stuff fast. If your supplier takes 3 weeks to ship, you're dead in the water. Look for suppliers with U.S. warehouses or fast shipping times. Mistake number 3: ignoring customer service. This is a biggie. Happy customers become repeat customers. Unhappy customers become 1-star reviews. Respond quickly, be helpful, and always go the extra mile. Mistake number 4: running ads without testing. Don't dump hundreds into Facebook ads without testing your product, your audience, and your ad creative. Start small, test, optimize, then scale. All right, we've covered a lot of ground here. From finding your niche to avoiding critical mistakes, you now have the blueprint for dropshipping success in 2025. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. You've got to take what you've learned here and put it into practice. Start researching your niche today. Set up your store this week. Launch your first product by the end of the month. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be seeing those sweet sales notifications rolling in. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce gold, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Trust me, you don't want to miss what I've got coming up next. Oh, and one more thing. I've put together a free dropshipping product checklist to help you find those winning products faster. Just click the link in the description to grab your copy. It's my gift to you for sticking with me through this video. Remember, in the world of dropshipping, action beats perfection every time. So get out there, start your store, and make it happen. I believe in you. Now go crush it.